The world is loud. It demands your attention, your data, and your constant progress. It measures your worth by the length of your to-do list, and your success by how little you slept last night. But here's the truth they won't tell you in a boardroom or a productivity app. You are not a machine. You are not a set of metrics or a quarterly review. You are the observer of the storm, not the storm itself. Today we aren't here to learn how to do more. We are here to remember how to be. If you feel like you're falling behind, I have a secret for you. You aren't. You've just been running a race that has no finish line. In the modern world, stillness is often mistaken for laziness. We feel guilty for sitting in silence. We feel anxious if we aren't optimizing every second of our existence. But consider the bow and arrow. To fire an arrow forward with power, there must first be a period of tension and stillness as the string is pulled back. Without that quiet withdrawal, there's no forward momentum. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "Everywhere, at each moment, you have the option to accept this event with ritual and treat this person as they should be treated." Notice, he didn't say to fix every event or to outrun every problem. He spoke of acceptance. When you feel that tightness in your chest, that phantom pressure to be somewhere else, doing something more, ask yourself, who am I trying to impress? If the answer is a ghost of who you think you should be, it's time to let that ghost go. You are enough in this very moment, not because of what you produced today, but because you are here, breathing, experiencing the weight of the world, and choosing to stand anyway. Silence is not empty. It is full of the things we're too busy to hear. It's where your intuition lives. It's where your real goals, the ones that aren't fueled by ego, finally speak up. When was the last time you let a thought finish? When was the last time you sat without a screen, a podcast, or a person demanding something from you? This is the focused void. It is the practice of protecting your inner citadel. The world will try to break down the gates with emails, notifications, and social pressure. Let them knock. You don't have to open the door. Your productivity is a tool, not your identity. If a tool is used 24 hours a day, it dulls. It breaks. To sharpen yourself, you must step away from the grindstone. You must grant yourself the radical permission to be unproductive, to stare at the rain, to listen to your own breath. This isn't an escape from reality. It is a return to it. As you go back into the world, take a piece of this silence with you. You don't need to change everything today. You just need to change your relationship with now. Tomorrow, when the noise starts again, remember the candle flame. It doesn't scream to be noticed, it simply burns. It is steady. It is central. When the pressure builds, take one deep breath. Not for your boss, not for your followers, but for you. You are allowed to move slowly. You are allowed to take up space without proving your value. The most successful version of you isn't the one who did the most. It's the one who remained at peace while doing it. Stay in this moment for as long as you need. The world can wait. If this helped you find a moment of peace, consider joining our circle. We find strength in the quiet. Until next time, stay still.